my cousin Imran and Ishal and my Popo, and this is my sister. You already know her, Azel. She is also with me. Hello, this is Azel, this is Ishal, and this is Imran, the biggest out of them all. And we are here at the Emporium to shop today with Azel and also my Popo. She is shopping over there. So, Imran, say what you want. Hi. Yes, saying hi. Ishal, आपको क्या बनना है? Hi. Azel, क्या बनना है? Is it saying hello? So let's go and shop. Hi guys, it's my first video I've ever been in. So hi and bye. I don't know what to say. Emporium for some reason, and we're going to make one every single shop. But we're not going to go to Fun Factory. The most emotional part. Don't have to mention it. Maya, is it like that she's scared? Do you secret. Hello everyone, we are at Outfitters. We just left Outfitters, so we are going to the next shop. So be ready and have fun with us. Hello, we are at Breakout and we will shop more. So let's come. This looks good. These two. Everything looks good. My field shop. Papa was selling the tree. Mama, video. What? A paper? What's up today? Hey!
What's up? Today we had Bacha Party in Emporium Mall. We usually come to this place
Every day. We go every day.
No, not every day. Whenever we come to Emporium, we
Yeah.
go to this place.
So today we are going to be shopping. So today we are going to be shopping at Bacha Party. And let's see what's on sale. And maybe we will find something very nice here. Let's go. So as you can see, there are a lot of things in here. A lot of snacks and all, like clothes and all that. So
Don't forget the shoes.
and there are also furniture.
Don't forget the toys.
There's a lot of things here. So are you ready for this adventure? Yeah! This is so cool. What would you do with a bike like this? Comment in the section. What would you do if you were riding a bike? Can you please comment that? And let's see how many colors are there. Should we or no? Okay. There are also slides.
Can we buy one?
There's slides. My dad is a good guy. Yes. It's a Pokemon. Yes. They have this.
I need it.
They have a lot of puzzles.
I need this.
Puzzles are mind games that makes you focused and gives you a lot of concentrate. And this is a card. I'm not sure if there's a controller of it. Okay. Yes, but these are toys for kids. Yeah.
Comment down below what puzzles you have.
Cool. So, everyone look here. Wow, it's a Pokemon collection. Yes.
The set.
It's a trading card game. Look at this. There's a lot of cards in it. These are Legos. There's a house. There's an ice cream, a whole town, a Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
Don't forget the money.
All of these are Pikachu. Look, that's a nice Pikachu. Let's see what we have here. A giant box. It's very big. Is this another set of Marvel collections? Yes, that is very good. There's so many heroes. This is gonna kill us. So come here. Let's have some fun stuff for our collection.
Oh, this dragon is so cute. Have a look.
You like it? Look, it's a monkey. Hello, my name is Lisa. I am monkey. Let's go. Whoa, Spider-Man. Do you like Spider-Man? You like this. I have Hey, look, a Spider-Man. Do you like Spider-Man? I like Batman, but mostly I like Spider-Man. And let's put this monkey away. You can do that. And I have this. What happened? LOL. Look it. They have this game too. Let's do it.
Snake and ladder watch from Bacha Party.
Wow, this is so cool. Do you like it? It's an arrow. I don't like arrows. They're bad. I like swords. Better swords. Way better swords with color. So, come here. This is for cricket. It's very big. I can't hold it. This is a baby section. It has diapers. Diapers. What is this? And what is this?
The diaper.
Okay, what's this? So, shampoo. This is short size. This is the towel. And these are, and this is a towel. So, this is a towel. Wow. See, these are geometries. These are sticky notes. Let's go to the next style and see what else they are. These are birthday candles. These are a lot of bags. Come here.
I like this one.
This is a three glues. There's only three colors. Green, blue, and there's also a lot of pencils. And let's go to the next style. Wow. Technology, I guess. These are, I guess it's the end of the video. So, bye-bye.